Cleaning in Photoshop 2020 is about the easiest thing you'll ever do. I'm going to go ahead and create new. There we go. Drag over an image, drop it in place, scooch him around a little bit, enter to lock it. To erase, click on the image. It'll tell you it's a smart object and it needs to rasterize it before proceeding. So we'll click OK. I'm going to enlarge this just a little bit, and the opacity I'm going to bring up to 100 to start with. Again, the bigger areas, easy peasy. The thing with erasing like this, if you do an oops, you have to immediately fix that, or you have to undo everything you did prior to it. To come around hair, lower the opacity, make the brush much smaller. Again, you can soften and come around just the edges. You will lose some of the color in the hair. And then come back to 100, come up here. Again, I'm not spending much time on this because I hate this method, but I did want to give you an idea. And again, coming around something like this, you can use a quick select tool. Let me go ahead real quickly here and use your delete key. That'll take it out. That part, not too bad, and it'll do bits and pieces for you. There you go. We just lost his ear, so we'll have to grab that back. But again, because we haven't used a mask, we needed to immediately fix the ear. Because again, otherwise you have to undo every step to that point, which again is part of why I don't like this, because it'll grab things you don't expect. So that's quite enough of that. I'm going to go ahead and select, deselect, drag that to the trash can. And I'm going to come back to my move tool, grab the image again. And I actually want to make him bigger. And I want to scooch him over a little bit there. And I actually want to cut off part of that hair, because it's not a big deal. We're not like cutting off half his face. So just a little bit of that top hair, because I don't know that it really adds that much to the image. And I'd rather see a little bit more of the rest of him. So I'll go ahead and hit enter. I'm going to pull over and drop and drag another image. This background was created by Maya. There we go. And I'm going to slide this down so it's underneath. I'm going to select that top layer again and come up for the quick select tool. Either again, click on it with your mouse or click W. Up at the top, select subject. And then select and mask. This overall is pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now he looks a little bit funny with the background because the tones aren't quite a match. So I'm going to bring over one more layer. Drag that on top. Here we go. Drop that down to about 50, 51. Take that to screen, which also lightens. And that's not too bad. Adjust that just a little bit. There we go. Just to soften it up. And you are done. You have learned two methods for cleaning. And again, the one that I think is easiest is the quick select tool. But if you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you enjoyed this video.